AI, or artificial intelligence. You probably have heard about this recently. This technology is taking the world by storm. Or is it actually taking over? By the way, cool side note, in this video, we're going to show you some AI power. But first, let's swipe the intro across the screen. Welcome back to Brain Feed. In this video, we're going to have a look at AI and what it's capable of as of today. Before we start, let's ask AI for a reason to like this video.
This video about AI is worth liking because it provides fascinating insights into the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our daily lives, giving you a glimpse into the future of technology and innovation.
Well, now let's have a look at what AI is. AI is the ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, learning, and decision-making. It's a broad field that encompasses a range of subfields, including machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. The use of AI has become more popular and useful in recent years, and for good reason. One of the key advantages of AI is that it can help us automate many of the repetitive tasks that humans find boring or inefficient. AI can also improve the accuracy and precision of many tasks, from medical diagnosis to predicting financial trends. But even for creative work, you can use AI. For example, let's ask AI to create an image for me. To create this image, we need to tell AI what we want to see. We can do this by using a so-called prompt. This looks like this. Imagine a butterfly standing on a baseball. After a few seconds, AI can give you something like this. Pretty cool, right? Let's try another one. Imagine a cyberpunk dragon spitting blue fire in a city. You can imagine that the possibilities are endless. Okay, now I want to see a fat Batman having lunch. I can do this all day, but let's move on. By the way, you can go a lot deeper by learning how to use, for example, MidJourney. I'm pretty sure you can find a lot of tutorials online. However, there are some significant drawbacks to consider. One of the biggest concerns is the potential impact on jobs, as many tasks currently performed by humans could be automated by AI. There are also concerns about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as cyber attacks or surveillance. Another danger of AI is the potential for it to be used as a weapon. With the rise of autonomous weapons such as drones, there is a real risk that AI could be used to automate and weaponize violence. There are also concerns about the potential for AI to be used to manipulate public opinion or to spread disinformation. In the next clip, you can see how AI can change the voice of a person.
Not as an expert, but as a concerned citizen.
One of the 400,000 people who marched in the streets of New York on Sunday.
And the billions of others around the world who want to solve our climate crisis.
As an actor, I pretend for a living. I play fictitious characters, often solving fictitious problems.
I believe that mankind has looked at climate change in that same way, as if it were fiction.
As if pretending that climate change wasn't real would somehow make it go away. But I think we all know better than that now.
What do you think of this technology? Okay, now let's ask AI for a joke.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Okay, so do you think that was actually funny? Well, anyways, maybe we should not ask AI to tell jokes. There are endless possibilities AI can be used for: art, music, game design, graphic design, creative writing, and much more. In conclusion, AI is a technology with tremendous potential, but also significant risks. With thoughtful design and responsible use, AI can help us tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our world today. So after this video, are you going to learn more about AI and maybe try to use it for something creative? Let us know in the comments below. So, this was it for today, guys. Make sure to like and consider subscribing. If you want to learn how to create your own images like we did in this video, make sure to check out the link in the description. Here you can find a link to MidJourney. And don't forget to have fun with AI. See ya!